shoppers and Advent holiday people. Hello, everyone. So, we're out of our teens, and we're on day 20. And I'm opening fast because I want to be naughty. I want to see what's coming. So tonight I'm not going to put them together. I'm just going to go one by one so you can enjoy each designer and each choice. I cannot believe how incredible each day has been. Every single day is even more incredible with the patterns and the charts and the silks and the flosses. And I think I'm going to start putting things in comments about giveaways because I will be giving away some things because I want to share the wealth. And I feel very blessed and I want to share my blessings. And sometimes we stitchers, we want certain things, or we can't get certain things, or we called too late, or we missed the boat, or whatever. So I'm going to have to think about this, about how to share some of my goodies. So, Black Needle Society, day 20. I hope that y'all are having a blessed Christmas, but I know a lot of people are going through a lot of things, so my prayers are with you. And hopes for a better new year, if this one was not a great new year. Ooh, 40 count. Lamb's wool linen. I love the feel of linen. I do like linen. I'm going to be honest. Smaller count, but I do go back and forth between Aida and linen. I'm not a purist. Whatever works for you, I think is groovy. That is really nice. That is day 20 for the Black Needle Society. 40 count lamb's wool linen. That is beautiful. Day 20. Box. Let's see what this says. Quilt fabric for finishing. Still have an ornament or pin pillow to finish? This quilt fabric would make an excellent backing. Oh, this is... I love how I say something's nice and I'm holding it off camera. You know, I want to be the girls who do the shopping, the people who do the shopping and they say, oh, look at this lovely fabric by so-and-so. Yes, I want that to be my next job. And as I said before, I'm starting to learn how to finish things. And I don't sew, right? I mean, I can hand sew a little bit. Actually, I'm lying. I have to always look at a YouTube video for how to do the one everybody knows how to do. The overstitch. There's some kind of stitch everybody knows how to do, but there are a lot of designers who are saying, oh, you can do this and make a pin keep or do something else. So that is really nice. And it's got this sheen to it, but it's not too sparkly. So I'll let you enjoy that. Day 20. Under the mistletoe, watching the fire glow. Do you shake your presents? I did shake this box, and then I was like, what is that? What can that be? Oh, I need these. I don't own them. I don't own any of these. Do you know what these are? These are the little clips. If you glue, like let's say you have your fabric finishing or you want to hold it together, people are using these. And, you know, I know you can get them off Etsy, 123 Stitch probably, but I don't have any of these. So I'm super excited. I don't have those. So thank you. Thank you, Caterpillar Cross Stitch. Now, I'm sure you saw this in the opening. But this, and I'm gonna adjust the camera so you'll be able to see the whole thing. This is from Kitten Stitcher, Shakespeare's Peddler. The designer is the Blue Flower. Yes, another wonderful person who has been at the Silver Needle summer event, and not to mention other events. I didn't bring any scissors, so I'm just kind of opening this. I love this color. I love this kind of oceany, dark teal color. And again, this is Blue Flower. I'm so pleased to share Winter Whale with you. This design was inspired by a sperm whale in the cold winter sea. A fluffy sweater is a must for icy weather, and a spout of snowflakes bring a seasonal touch. Here's wishing you warm and cozy winter stitching. Hugs, Janine. See, you can tell I'm live because I don't open everything and read it in advance, and so you get what you get. Winter Whale. Okay, you notice that these are different people, and yet we've got some Arctic animals coming up. Are you ready? Oh, look at this. Look at that. He's got a sweater. I am so pleased to share Winter Whale with you. This design was inspired by a sperm whale in the cold winter sea. Was he wearing a sweater or was he cold? A fluffy sweater is a must for icy weather, and a spout of snowflakes brings a season. Okay. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. My giveaway. This is mine. Yes, I will. Janine McGowan. Yes, but no. This is staying with me. Threads use DMC RFC Roxy Flosco. Have you noticed Roxy Flosco is becoming a thing? 40 count. No, I will not be doing it on 40 count. And XJU Design. Somebody was going to write that in comments, hopefully, and tell me how to pronounce that name correctly. But you notice that I showed you that lovely fabric by them. This is antique teal linen. I really like this fabric. I wonder if they make it in a lower count. I'm going to have to look this up. This is staying with me. This is just the cutest thing. Okay, his tail's a little lavender, and then the fabric has some lavender. Yes, this is not going anywhere. This is staying with me. That is lovely. The presentation, okay, let me not leave the camera empty. The presentation, that is lovely. And what did I do with the day? What did I do? I was like, where's my other days? Days, and the quilting fabric, then the pins. I love how things go together. It's really awesome. So I'm gonna leave you with this really pretty Nordic picture as the music takes us away to wintry waters and whales wearing sweaters.